Hello, everybody. We are here at the nearly towards the end of the year, and थोड़ा सा shift है energy में. Everybody is on an upward swing. Everybody is very happy. There's a lot of celebration. थोड़ा सा fight है अपने rights के लिए, which you can feel that movement coming in, and it is all really really good. And you can see a lot of support coming from everywhere, which is wonderful. पर आज मैंने थोड़ा सा शेयर करना था इस टाइम with you on a couple of things that have come to us, especially during the year that has gone by. And जो हमने notice किया है, बार बार एक चीज़ आती है, people are always waiting. You're waiting for something to happen to you, and then आप खुश हो गई. For example, ये relationship अगर आपके ज़िंदगी में ना होता, तो आप बहुत खुश होते. अगर आपके पास एक जॉब होती इस तरह की, यू वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी. अगर आपके पास एक टाइप का घर होता, यू वुड बी हैप्पी. So, when you're waiting for life to happen to you, or the outer person is going to give you that happiness, let me tell you one thing, that thing is not happening. ये outer person नहीं तुम्हें कुछ दे रहा. It starts from within you. Because you're vibrating at a level. You're vibrating with your thoughts. Right? That's your vibration. So वही experiences आप attract कर रहे हैं जो आपकी सोच है. So अगर आप जज कर रहे हो किसी को और वो experience आपके सामने आ जाए और आपको वो अच्छा ना लगे, please remember one thing, that thing is inside of you. A lot of us don't see that. We don't live in that heightened awareness. So every time there's a problem, or when you're getting angry, or when you're getting irritated, or when you don't like something, वो क्वेश्चन अपने आप से पूछो कि ये मुझे इस चीज़ में क्या नहीं अच्छा लगता. What is it that is making me feel lack, making me feel separate from myself? We all are one. We all, as soul beings, one united being. We are Aham Brahmasmi. So when you are that, each and every person who's here is that. So when you don't like something, that something is inside of you. So that is the journey, that is the work that we have to do, right? And also that inward journey that we have come as God beings, we have decided we'll take this body and we will walk this journey. So that is what we have come here to do. So do not feel bad about the experiences you're having. These are just experiences. And a lot of times I hear people say कि maybe I've gone mad, कि मेरे साथ ऐसे ऐसे सोच आ रही हैं, इतनी नेगेटिव सोच क्यों आने लग गई सडनली, बिकॉज वी बीन थ्रू अ वेरी लॉन्ग लॉकडाउन एंड लॉट ऑफ लाइक टीचर्स कांट वर्क एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु हैव टू वर्क फ्रॉम होम. It's getting a little tough and hard, and so a lot of you feel out of balance, you don't feel where you were. And so yes, you could have had negative thoughts, but remember one thing, you are in control of your thoughts. Your thoughts do not control you. You control your thoughts. So जब ऊटपटांग thoughts आती हैं, please उनको बोलो कि I do not want this thought. So you have to do a little bit of personal care. Time for yourself is very important. Spend. We keep saying it, time for yourself is important. People nod and they say हाँ time important, but you're not taking out the time. आपको निकालना पड़ेगा 10 मिनट 20 मिनट सुबह शाम. You'll have to take out that time to be with yourself. Do your breathing exercises, because breath regulates everything in your body. And when you are feeling in tune with your body, your thoughts will align with you. So you will not feel negative, because when you have negative thoughts, your body will go out of sync. You have to keep everything, the mind, body and spirit, in focus. So the spirit takes a back seat and the mind and the body are working in a dysfunctional way, and then you feel out of sorts. So just to keep yourself in track and keeping yourself at its highest potential, which you are, your high potential beings, just make sure that you do your self work. So take out that time to just sit by yourself and do not start, like if you're going for a walk, ये ना हो कि आप वही कहानियाँ फिर से बोलने जा रहे हो और वही कोई सोच आ गई उटपटांग नेगेटिव सी, उसके अंदर खुप गए. You have to then retract and say, okay, I am now going to start thinking about something else. Be present when you're walking. देखो आप कैसे चल रहे हो, आपके मसल्स कैसे मूव हो रहे हैं, आप सांस ले रहे हो, So be aware of the surrounding, be aware of the flowers that you see there. I mean, it's a beautiful experience as God beings. This is what we've created for ourselves. So see that creation and enjoy it. And once you start shifting your thoughts, you'll see कि आपके experiences भी अच्छे होने लग गए, आपके relationships भी अच्छे होने लग गए, आपके friendships भी अच्छे होने लग गए, आपको job भी अच्छी मिल गई because you are vibrating on a high level. So everything is you. And do keep good company. I mean, नेगेटिव लोगों के पास मत बैठो और उतना टाइम मत दो वहाँ पे, बिकॉज देन यू गेट इन टू वन स्टोरी आफ्टर अनदर स्टोरी एंड इट्स नॉट मेकिंग एनी सेंस. इट्स जस्ट वन खिचड़ी which you've put out, some confusion, you don't know how to go forward. So keep yourself clear for the year that is going to come, and as you're ending and exiting this year, just make sure that you are keeping a very clear energy, clear in your head. Yes, the thoughts will keep coming, but you keep changing your thoughts. Every time the thought comes, pause. Say, okay, I've thought about this. And thoughts come automatically and very fast because we're conditioned to think like that. We give in to conditioning. So you have to recondition your mind all the time. So if you keep mind of these few things कि मैंने अपनी सोच बदलनी है, जब ये सोच आएगी, I'm going to change that thought. I am spending time meditating. Why do we keep saying meditating? The reason being, you can just try and be relieved of your thoughts, And during your meditation time, now meditation is not very difficult to do. You have to just try and keep your mind, or you just observe those thoughts that come and go. So you just relax with yourself a little bit. And whatever is bothering you, you can ask during that meditation time that give you clarity. And you never know when the clarity just pops in. So you're clear and intentions are clear. Just keep your intention clear. So when you wake up in the morning, what are your first thoughts? Same some story you've got hold of and you got into that story? Or are you going to keep an intention कि आज का दिन मेरा बहुत अच्छा होगा? I'm going to make sure it's good. You just, that intention setting is just good enough. When you're going to go to bed, you're going to sleep soundly. Your body is going to be resting. Your soul is rejuvenating. So ये सब करना ज़रूरी है, keeping that intention and keeping that awareness. Right? So have a good holiday season and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.